Hey, I just did a video on what contingent upon sale actually really means. So I would like for you to take less than 2 minutes and look at it. But this home here is in that situation, contingent upon sale. So please go back and look at that video and understand what it means. I would greatly appreciate it, and talk soon. Bye.
I want to show you this fantastic house. It's 3,300 square feet, a little bit more than that. Main level living, and this here is the office. Stay tuned. Main level living as a single story, right? But you've got a really awesome bonus upstairs. So stay tuned. If you like my information of Vegas views and vibes, please like and subscribe. I would be ever so grateful. So stay tuned for this. I really want you to watch as I go through the home and tell you where each of the rooms are in relationship to each other. So over here to my right, maybe your left, is a bathroom with a walk-in shower and toilet and vanity. So I'm going to turn you around here so you can kind of see it. So it's right there. Okay? I'm facing the front door. The office is over here that I just took a photo of. I'm going to see if I can see up there. That's the vaulted ceiling. Look, see how big that is? That's huge. So you come in, you walk into this grandiose entrance, and it's going spacious of this hallway entryway. So I want you to stay tuned. All right, the rear, where I am right here, is a room where you can do a couple things. You can do a formal dining room, or you can actually make this a library where you can sit and relax. So I'm going to move out of the way so you can take a quick peek. So here behind me is a separate laundry room, washer and dryer do convey. There's a shelf for storage. And over here is the door to the 3-car garage. I am doing an open house, so I have a few of my things there, so pardon me. But right here, I'm gonna walk around to show you the relationship to this island, okay? So stay tuned. All right, right here, you're gonna have your sink, your refrigerator, and your double ovens. So this is pretty much so easy. And here's your dishwasher. Doing the dishes, put it in the dishwasher. You need something, you chop, 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 and you're ready to go. Here, I am standing in front of this 6, 7, 8. Well, you could probably squeeze a few more people in here. And then look at how big this is. This is amazing. So then you have a sliding glass door to go outside. I do have pictures online you can take a peek at. So here is the kitchen. So I'm gonna walk over here. Right. So over here, you're gonna see seating area. So if you wanna have a quick breakfast, sit here, easy peasy, put your dishes in the sink, and here is your gas cooktop as well as your microwave. And look at the space, it's circular. So you've got a fantastic flow here, fantastic. So when you're entertaining and you need to bring dishes to the table, right here, can't get any better than that. I am in the primary bedroom, and it's actually pretty big, so I don't know how far we can go. So it's big enough for a king bed and dressers and tables. See how big that is? It's amazing. And over this way is going to be the primary ensuite. So hold on. Suite. And over here, you're going to see the soaking tub, shower. You can walk right in. Over here, you're going to have your dual sinks. Let's see if I can bring it down a smidge. Let's see. Can you see that? So here's the dual sinks. And then over here is the soaking tub. But back there, this closet, you need a new closet. You need to double the size of your closet. This is it. Stay tuned. So all of this in here, right? So then you have all this back here. And then again, you have more storage back here. Peekaboo. So you have plenty of space. Family room, however you want to say it. It's pretty big. So let me go ahead and the interior. And you've got a lot going on right here. You've got a TV, wall mounted. And look how little I am. See? I can see you. Back here, and how big this is. Natural lighting. All the way over here. And then right here, I have some staging ideas for you for your furniture placement. All right, I'm on the other side of the house, and this is where the other 2 bedrooms are and the bathroom. And then right here, I don't even know if it can go down, but there is a long buffet here with a cabinetry with plenty of more storage, so you can maybe put your towels or your sheets or whatnots here. And then we go down here, and as you're going to see, this long hallway, and you've got a shower tub combination here in the bathroom, a toilet, and a single vanity. So let's go to the other 2 bedrooms. This is one of the 2 bedrooms on the other side of the house, and here's your closet, sliding door closet. Pretty cool. This is really good size bedroom. And then you have over here, you have this twin bed, but I am positive a double bed would fit here, and end tables and a dresser perfectly. Let's go to the other bedroom. This is the other bedroom over here. It's pretty spacious. Walk over, here's a corner, and then here, and then you've got natural light here, and then you actually have in this bedroom a wall-mounted TV, and then you've got the closet doors here. Take a tour upstairs, and I want you to pay attention. So I hope you've made it this far to see what's going on with this house, because it's so much bigger than it looks on the outside. You'll be so pleasantly surprised. So let's go. We are now upstairs, and the stairs are over here, leading up here. This is a fantastic wet bar. So if you're entertaining, you want popcorn, or you want over here, you can probably easy peasy put a little popcorn machine here. You've got a wet bar here. You have plethora of cabinets above and below. And then you have your mini fridge right there for your sodas and whatnots. I'm going to walk all the way back there, so hopefully you're staying tuned to find out what's here. So relationship, here's the wet bar, here are the stairs. This here is an opening to the front foyer, so it has a vaulted ceiling, so that makes it very open. Then I'm going to go ahead and walk all the way back there, and hopefully you are staying tuned to find out how big this upstairs really is. The pool table is here for you to get a relationship and ideas, but it does not convey. So let's get started and walk back there. I do have some virtual staging photos, so you can view them online as well. So hold on, let me see how to do this. So I'm going back. So now I'm probably like really little. Over here's the bathroom, little, and has fantastic sunlight, natural lighting, as you can see. That's how big this is. So when I come back, I'll go ahead and move the tripod to show you exactly how big this really is. Let's see, it took me a few seconds to walk up here, huh? Behind me is you can make this into a media room, or whatever. It's kind of fascinating. You do have a wall mount TV here, okay, and you have a ceiling fan, you have a natural light, as I mentioned. And I'm walking all over here to show you how big this is. I mean, you might even be able to buy yourself a bigger TV and have a grandiose TV, movie watching, game watching. Okay, on the same floor here, we have a bathroom that has a walk-in shower, single vanity, and a toilet. And then on this side right here, we do have some more storage. So if you want to go ahead and perhaps store your games or blankets for here for when you're snuggling up on the couch to watch your favorite movie, there you have it. No worries about storage. Well, we've come to the end of our home tour. I thoroughly hope you enjoyed it and that you didn't skip too far ahead. But you know what? This is a video, so you can go back and forth as much as you want and how many times as you want. Like more things like this, and I have lots coming in the future. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. So take care. And if you have any questions, don't forget to call 702-813-9454, and I'll help you any way I can.